All these are safe skin lightening body lotions that will not give you green veins, dark knuckles, stretch marks, or make you look like you're bleaching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 safe and effective skin lightening lotions and creams that will give you that fair glowing skin without bleaching or damaging your skin. So if you're looking for a body lotion or cream that will lighten your skin without green veins, stretch marks, dark knuckles, or discolorations on your skin, then you definitely need to keep on watching, because I'm going to be showing you all of that in this video and how to safely use them. So let's dive right into it. So the first safe skin lightening body lotion on my list is this Gold White Quick Tone Clear Complexion Cream. So this is one of the best body lotion that is going to safely lighten your skin and give you that flawless fair skin tone. Like, one thing a lot of people don't know is that if you want to safely lighten up your skin without any adverse effects like stretch marks, dark knuckles, green veins, discolorations, you need to avoid using body lotions that contain steroids, hydroquinone, or mercury. Like, they might be quick to lighten up your skin, but that's the same way it's going to equally damage your skin. So instead of using that, go for body lotions and creams that contains natural skin lightening ingredients like your kojic acid, licorice extract, vitamin C, alpha arbutin, and the rest. That is why this Gold White Quick Tone lotion is one of the best skin lightening lotions on my list. Like, this cream is going to lighten up your skin and give you that beautiful fair glowing skin without making you look like you're bleaching. This body lotion is formulated with carrot extract. So if you know how carrot extract works on the skin, then you basically know that this body lotion is not just going to lighten up your skin, it's going to protect your skin from any harmful UV rays, prevent any signs of aging on your skin, and is also very good if you're battling with hyperpigmentation. Like, this is one body lotion that is going to help clear out any form of discoloration on your skin and give you that soft, smooth, clear, glowing skin tone. So if you're looking for a body lotion that will safely lighten up your skin, then this Gold White Quick Tone lotion is one body lotion you need to try out. This is going to have your fair skin popping. Like, the first time I saw this body lotion was at a supermarket, and I thought like maybe it was one of those organic cream. Not until I saw my friend using this particular body lotion. When I asked her, she have actually been using this for 2 years now with Xtra soap. So this is one body lotion that is suitable for all skin types and is going to lighten your skin, clear out any form of pigmentations or discolorations on your skin. One amazing thing about this body lotion is the fact that it's not going to bleach your skin or give you any green veins, dark knuckles, or stretch marks on the skin. And it equally contains SPF 20. So I'm also going to advise you get a sunscreen if you're using this particular body lotion. So if you want to safely lighten up your skin, then I would definitely advise you opting for this particular body lotion. It's sold at the price of 3,500 naira or 4,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So it's one amazing body lotion that is going to safely and effectively lighten up your skin. So the second skin lightening lotion on my list is this Veet Gold multivitamin lotion. So if you're used to Veet Gold products, you will know that their products are so mild on the skin and very effective when it comes to clearing dark spots and any form of blemishes on the skin. So this particular Veet Gold multivitamin lotion is one body lotion that is going to gently and safely lighten up your skin with consistent use. Like if you're using this particular body lotion, it's going to gently and gradually brighten up your skin tone and lighten your skin. Like this is actually formulated with vitamin complex. That's a combination of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B, and vitamin D. And the amazing thing about this Veet Gold multivitamin lotion is the fact that it contains both UVA and UVB protection. So this is one body lotion that is going to give you that fair skin tone without bleaching or damaging your skin. Like if you're someone battling with dark spots, body acne, this is one body lotion you need to grab. Like this is going to even out your skin tone and give you a uniform complexion. So if you want that fair glowing skin tone, then this is one body lotion you need to start using. This is going to blend and give you that fair glowing beautiful skin tone. Is actually sold at the price of 5,000 plus depending on where you're getting it from. So the next or third skin lightening body lotion that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is this Clear Nature 3 times carrot body lotion. So this is another safe and effective skin lightening body lotion to use if you don't want to be complaining of dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, or discolorations on your skin. It contains kojic acid, carrot oil, which are natural skin lightening ingredients. Like I recommended this particular Clear Nature body lotion for a client last year, and she's currently using the complete set. Like she totally loves this particular lotion. This body lotion will make your skin look even. Like it's going to give you that beautiful radiant fair skin tone. It's actually a body milk, so it's very moisturizing on the skin and it's going to help soften your skin and glow your skin. Like this is not one of those your skin lightening body lotions that when you apply them it feels very dry on the skin. This is going to help soften and glow your skin. It's sold at the price of 9,700 naira or more depending on where you're getting it from. So this is an amazing body lotion to use if you want to safely lighten up your skin. So the fourth safe and effective skin lightening lotion on my list is this Q7 Luminine body lotion. So this Q7 Luminine body lotion actually comes in 3 different range, and that is the number 1, the number 2, and the number 3. But the particular one I'm going to be talking about in this video is the Q7 Luminine number 2 body lotion. So this is another safe skin lightening body lotion to use if you want to safely lighten up your skin and not have any adverse effects like green veins or dark knuckles. Like if you're using this Q7 Luminine body lotion alone on your skin, it's going to help glow your skin and maintain your skin tone. This is one body lotion that is going to help even out any form of hyperpigmentation on your skin. Like if you're using this Q7 Luminine number 2 body lotion on your skin, it's not going to lighten up your skin within a blink of an eye. It's not going to do that. This is one body lotion that is going to gradually tone your skin, get rid of the hyperpigmentations on your skin, and lighten up your skin. Like if you're using this Q7 Luminine number 2 body lotion on your skin, it's going to gradually glow your skin, even out your skin tone, and clear out hyperpigmentations on your skin. So before you see lightening effects with this body lotion, you need to stay consistent with this lotion. It's not going to lighten your skin within 7 days. It's not going to do that. Like you might start noticing visible lightening effects after the first or second bottle. But if you want to see a more quicker result, then you need to use this Q7 Luminine body lotion with the Q7 Luminine serum. Like this is going to help make the body lotion work faster on your skin. Like you're going to love the results on your skin. It's going to give you that fair, beautiful, glowing skin tone. So this Q7 Luminine body lotion actually retails at the price of 8,000 plus depending on where you're getting it from. So the fifth or last skin lightening body lotion on my list that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is this Xtra white skin lightening milk. So if you cannot afford to get any of the body lotions that I've mentioned, then you should definitely opt in for this particular body lotion. Like this is one of the best and affordable skin lightening body lotion that is going to lighten up your skin, give you that smooth, beautiful, healthy looking skin tone without bleaching or damaging your skin. Like this particular body lotion is going to gradually tone your skin, smoothen out your skin, and lighten up your skin tone. So if you want to have that beautiful, fair, glowing skin tone, then you might need to get this extra white skin lightening milk. Like this is a body milk lotion, so it's going to moisturize, nourish, and glow your skin. So if you want to really achieve that fair, glowing, beautiful skin tone, then you need to cop or get this body lotion. It's hydroquinone free and is actually formulated with active ingredients like arbutin and sunscreen. So this is definitely going to help lighten your skin and clear out any form of dark spots on your skin. It's not a quick action cream and is very much affordable. It's sold at the price of 2,500 naira or 3,500 depending on your location. So this is a very nice body lotion that will lighten and glow your skin. So if you're using any of these body lotions to lighten up your skin, like you want to safely lighten up your skin without any green veins, stretch marks, discolorations, or dark knuckles, then you definitely need to be consistent with these body lotions. Like consistency is key when it comes to skincare. So if you don't want your skin looking like you're bleaching, then you need to make sure that you're exfoliating your skin and you're equally using a sunscreen alongside with those body lotions. Yeah, that is it on my top 5 safe and effective skin lightening lotions and creams for fair, glowing skin. So I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.